Good morning, it's Lisa with Lisa Heal Yourself, and today I'm going to take you through my 3-step laundry process to keep my laundry all natural, non-toxic, and it totally works. First thing you want to do is get a big bucket. You're going to be adding all the dry ingredients in here. I go to Bulk Barn for my ingredients. These are 2 bags of aluminum-free baking soda. I'm going to start by emptying one in. So 1 bag of baking soda in the bottom. Next I have a bag of sea salt. I'm going to dump in, it's not quite a full bag. I'm going to dump in the half a bag of sea salt. I have a half a bag of Epsom salts. Once I have sea salt, Epsom salt, and baking soda in here, I'm going to give it a stir. Add in some essential oils. I like lemon and citrus oils. Probably about 20 drops just went in. Stir it up. Next, I'm gonna add in washing soda. This is from Arm & Hammer. It's just washing soda. So adding in the sodium carbonate, adding in this whole box of washing soda. Another bag of baking soda. A little bit more essential oils. And stir it up. It takes a little work to turn this over. You want to work at it for 2 to 3 minutes, making sure you're getting down to the bottom. Just getting all those ingredients mixed up. This is why you do it in layers, because it is hard to mix after. So you want to be sure that you're working it around as fast as you can. Once the dry part is done, I'm going to take this to the laundry room and we're going to move on to step 2. I like to put furniture pads on the bottom of my things so that they slide easy and they don't wreck my wood top. I got this cute little one from HomeSense, but you can get it anywhere. So when I do laundry, I always set aside whites and do 1 load of whites a week so that it's pure whites. So today I'm going to throw in a load of whites so we can see how this works. You can use this on whites or you can use this on anything. You can see when I'm doing this, my kids wash the hand towels. You see all the marks of dirt when they're drying their hands on a hand towel. So all of these towels are going to go in. So I just make sure I gather all of the hand towels and all of the white towels. I'm going to take 1 scoop of this that we just made, throw it right into the drum. You can use this in the old-fashioned drums or even the high efficiency, that is fine. And now, we're going to move on to part 2. So I'm going to show you the difference what I do between colors and what I do between whites. It's mostly the same, just I swap out 1 ingredient for colors and 1 ingredient for whites. So these are old honey jars. You can use any jars, mason jars, whatever. You need a couple different ingredients. You need pure Castile or glycerin soap. So I'm going to add, a quarter, less than a quarter to the bottom of each jar. A little goes a long way. I'm gonna add in some pure lemon juice. see the soap just got a little bit foamier. And the rest I'm going to add with water. Put the lids on tight and shake it around. This is your liquid laundry soap. So you pour this into the liquid laundry soap part of your washing machine or right in the drum. When I have colors, I use vinegar. I use it for whites too, but when I have whites that I want to get extra white, I use pure hydrogen peroxide. This goes into the bleach part of your washing machine. So I use this for every load. If it's a mix of white and darks, I would use vinegar. If it's colors, I use vinegar. Whatever you use, you pour it into the bleach section, and then you've got your soap, your lemon juice, your vinegar, and you have your dry mixture in the tub, and everything comes out amazing. If you have pure whites, you get hydrogen peroxide. Normally they sell the hydrogen peroxide as a 3%. This is a 12%, which means when you're using it, it's a 3-to-1 dilution. But because I use so little of it in the laundry and it is going to be diluted with the water, I add it straight into, like bleach, into my bleach section. You don't want to mix hydrogen peroxide and vinegar in the same load. So you can either use this in your bleach section or you can use this in your bleach section, depending on what you're going for, but not combining together. And then just turn it on, a normal regular wash cycle, or you put it on your whites. So today I'm doing whites, I'm using the hydrogen peroxide with all the other mixture, so I'm going to select my white setting, and that's it. Okay, I am back. I am going to be switching over the laundry now. You can see how beautiful these whites came out. Look at how beautiful these are. Crisp and white. So when transferring them over, you also want to be sure that you are using natural products in your dryer. So I use a combination of wool balls. So here they are. You can get different, various kinds, and these cloth dryer sheets. You can buy all of these at natural health food stores. So I usually sprinkle some essential oils. Again, I like the lemon scent, and I'll throw them in. I usually use the 3 minimum per load, up to 6 or 7 dryer sheets or balls. So I'm gonna throw in a couple of more and turn it on. And now you know you're gonna get something really non-toxic coming out. Something clean, something that looks good, it's good for the environment, it's good for your health. And we're ready to take the clothes out. Everything looks really great, and just fold it up. And there you have it, natural laundry detergent. It's good for the environment, it's good for your health, it smells good, it cleans good. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.